Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Heather and today we are going to be talking about this silver dragon. It is an alocasia and how I was able to be the mother of all dragons. Super cheesy, but in any case, I do have some baby silver dragons now. So I guess I'll show you what it is that I did and what worked for me, and hopefully you guys are able to find some little baby corms as well and also be a mother of dragons. If you like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button, drop a comment down below, and I'll see you in a little bit. This has been a very interesting plant, and quite honestly, I have no idea if it's gonna go dormant on me during the winter months, but it's very well rooted and I didn't burn its roots with fertilizer like I did last year, so fingers crossed that it continues to put off big leaves for me. So if you follow me on Instagram, you may have already seen the reels that I did where I had actually found some corms just coming right off of here. So I'll probably do a split screen so you guys can see what was going on. So in that video, I show you that there are corms popping up and I literally just pluck them, clean them off. And when I say clean them off, I mean, like, you know how it has that like brown sheath over top of it? I suppose it like calloused over. I peel that off and just put it in some water. Now, in that video, I showed you that I took the bottle caps of my drinking water and I put them directly into there and then put a cup over it. That doesn't work. Didn't work for me at all. I think there was just too much oxygen that was coming in, and that's what caused it to actually develop those brown sheath. So what I did was I peeled it off. Like, I peeled off the brown sheath and then I put it into this little glass jar. Oh, the glare. You can see floating in there is another baby corm, and I saran wrapped it. And then I just left it alone and forgot about it. So I do think that this does better if there's like a heating mat. So it is a lot cooler now in my plant room slash office. So I'm probably gonna have to migrate this into the other exo tank so that it's kind of sitting on top of one of my grow lights, because that grow light specifically kind of radiates a little bit of heat. But once you get past the stage of callousing over, I don't even know if that's what it was doing, but you're gonna end up with something that looks like this. Look at it, and it has little baby roots popping up. Excuse my nails, I'm sorry. How cute. And I think what I'm gonna do is go to Michael's and find one of those like, what they're like, jars for beads or whatever. Probably gonna find that and then just put it in so that the roots kind of start to grow down. And then once I get enough roots, I'm actually gonna put this in pond, and it'll hopefully one day look like this. So originally I had two of these guys, and I gave the other one away because it was just giving me so much stress, and it was such a baby alocasia silver dragon, and it just wasn't happy. And I think it was because the soil that it was in was not well draining enough, and I do believe that the pot that it was in was too big for it as well. So I switched this one into ponds, and it's rooted quite well for me. Like, I don't even know what to do with it at this point, because I'm definitely not going to repot it at all. If anything, I'll probably just get another pot, like a cash pot, and put it on top. But in any case, that's what worked for me, and give it a shot, try it out. If you end up with little baby dragons, please tag me in on your Instagram and that's all for today. If you like videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and drop a comment down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.